To fix your Astro headsets that are not connecting to the base station, follow this step-by-step troubleshooting guide. First, ensure that your base station is properly plugged in and powered on. Check that the power cord is securely connected to both the base station and the power outlet. Next, verify that your headsets are fully charged. If your headsets have removable batteries, try replacing them with new ones or charging them for a few hours. If your headsets have non-removable batteries, plug them into the base station or a USB port to charge. Now, reset your headsets by pressing and holding the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Release the buttons and wait for 10 seconds before turning your headsets back on. This will restart your headsets and may resolve any connectivity issues. Check that your base station is set to the correct channel. Most Astro headsets have a channel switch on the base station, so ensure it is set to the same channel as your headsets. You can find the channel information in your user manual or on the Astro website. If you are still experiencing connectivity issues, try resetting your base station. Unplug the power cord from the base station and wait for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This will restart your base station and may resolve any connectivity problems. Finally, ensure that there are no other devices interfering with your headset's connection to the base station. Move any other wireless devices away from your base station and headsets to prevent interference. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Astro headsets and establish a stable connection to your base station.